Good evening and welcome back to the 24H Trader YouTube channel. And this is Andy. I will guide you through today's one of our most important videos. This is about how you read my analysis and how you trade based on my signals that I post daily on Mondays up to Fridays. So hope you stay tuned on this channel. Please like, subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you will get the daily updates and also the weekly educational contents. So today we will talk about how you trade the 24H traders way, how you read my analysis and how you trade based on it. So we will have our Sunday analysis. We'll have our Sunday analysis first. Sunday analysis is very important because we can deeply or thoroughly analyze the market because the market is closed. Okay, so let's start it from the monthly time frame. You can see that the market is currently um, creating a very strength, and most likely that it will continue to fall even further on the bearish trend on the monthly time frame. But this is what we're going to do on the monthly time frame is that we will only mark the support and resistance level on the monthly time frame because it's important for us to mark these areas. This is the resistance of the monthly time frame. We mark them on the candles just like what I told you previously on the videos on how to analyze the market or see the market based on the 24H traders way. So this is how we do it. You can see we mark on the candles closed, the open and closed. Okay, these are the support and resistance level of the monthly time frame, meaning that this will be very strong support and resistance based on the hourly chart that we trade mostly. This one is on the monthly time frame, this one is on the weekly time frame, but I usually skip the weekly and move directly to the daily time frame. So I'll mark the daily time frame with the saddle brown color. So if you see on this daily time frame, the market is, I think the market has already picked up this POI right here. This one is the daily POI. Yep, it's already picked their daily POI, and it fell. It fell greatly, but then it left another POI right here, which the market will need to pick somewhere near the future because this uh, bearish institutional candle has already been picked. So up here is the only POI that hasn't been picked. So I'll just remove the boxes so that we can see clearly which POI that hasn't been picked. This one hasn't been picked. So the market will most likely will pick up this area in long term in the future. Okay, so let's continue marking these support and resistance level on the daily time frame. Sorry, on the daily time frame. You can see we can uh, find many levels on the daily time frame. Okay, now let's move on to our 1 hour time frame, in which we are trading the most. So you can see the upper box right here is the daily POI, points of interest, and the market will pick up this area somewhere in the future, and the market is currently right here, down here, and it's still in process. You can see you found from the previous or from last Friday's analysis that the market will pick up this area, and it certainly did, and completed our analysis last Friday. So yeah, this is a strong resistance. So there are two ways for you to trade. If you'd like to uh, hold your trade for uh, long, if you'd like to hold your trade for long, you can open buy position from where the market is now and wait until it hits the take profit area right here. So it's somewhere around here, and uh, the upper box, the daily time frame POI, which will be picked. So I can assure you that the market will pick up these areas above. Uh, Either it is this one, this small 1 hour time frame POI, or this one is the daily. It's for the long-term process that the market will pick up this blue line right here. It's 1849.71. So I usually put my take profit at 1849 for the safety of the spread, because we have spreads, right? So we have to deal with it. So the market is currently at the 1790.44, and it has created like a triple bottom. So it will go up on Monday. So that will be the first thing that I will do on Mondays. So now let's move on. What I will do on Mondays. So this is how you read my analysis, and this is how you place your trading. The first one will be the plan A. Plan A is to buy now. Based on this analysis, plan A is to buy now. When the market opens. So the market opening, it opens when the Sydney market open. Currently it is at the 6 a.m. GMT plus 7. So you can adjust the time of your server, or your location time, your local time. So plan A will be to buy now when the market opens. So this is the basic standards. Usually I use pivot also. And how to see pivot? I use the on the daily time frame. I checked on the last candle right here. The previous candle on this one will be this one is the uh, Friday's candles. That is the Friday's candle. So let me try to calculate uh, the pivot point. So I will also told you how to calculate the pivot point on the next videos. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and also to ring the notification bell, because I will tell you everything that I know about the market and how I trade the market. I learned a lot in the past, uh, the hard way. So yeah, I lost a lot previously, uh, until I learned about my current analysis and the combination of uh, the the indicators. It's not I don't use indicators. It's the naked chart analysis. I use several things, and this is what helped me learn. The combination of these things helped me learn to trade on the market with accurate, with more accuracy and with good results. Once I've so the pivot point from last Friday's candle is 1795.40. 1795.40. So it will be 1795.40. So this is the pivot point. The orange line is the pivot point. There is a possibility that the market will bounce on the pivot point, but of course it will also depends on the market condition. But if you can see that the pivot point is actually located on the strong resistance, on the 1 hour resistance. It is located on the strong 1 hour resistance. You can see right here. And so in order to there are two possibilities that the market will also bounce from these areas, but I will certainly bet for long trades. Maybe if it bunches, if the market bunches this pivot point, it will bounce back to the 1770.75, which will be our plan B. So when the market opens at 6 a.m. GMT plus 7 on Monday, when the Sydney market opens, I will open a buy position from here. If you'd like to be safe, you can put your take profit at the pivot point. That will be the first take profit. So this is the pivot point. Pivot point is at 1795.40. So this is the first take profit. If you open, if you use the plan A and you want to trade for short term, uh, put your take profit at the pivot point. It's 1795.40. That's the pivot point, and I'm pretty sure that it will be picked. But if you'd like to hold the trade for longer, put your take profit at the maximum take profit level. It will be here, but it will be around take profit 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be a take profit 4 right here. 1849. This is the take profit 4. Take profit 4. So I don't use stop losses, but I use the mental stop loss. It will be on the plan E, in the maximum plan. It will be at the level of 50% of my equity. So I currently I have a 10,000 equity on my account, so around $10,000 equity on my account. I always use plan A with one lot. Then I open a mitigation trade right here as a plan B. If I don't uh, use, or if you see on my plan that I don't use any uh, higher plan, only plan A and plan B, then I'm pretty sure that the market will only reach plan B. But I usually use plan A up to plan D. So plan A is one lot, plan B is two lots, and plan C is four lots, and plan D is eight lots. And the plan E is actually the mental stop loss if the market if the market went wrong and reached 50% of my equity. I used mental stop loss, but so far it never happened. So most likely that it will only reach plan C or plan D once in a month, but it never reached the plan E. So I never hit any stop losses before. So plan A is the buy now with one lot at the 1790.65 when the market opens, and then plan B is to mitigate the first trade. If you trade for short term, just place plan B at the 1770 or 0.75, or I'll just pick 1771. Why? Because I prefer my mitigation trade to be picked rather than wait for it to go to pick my rather for it to bounce not from the first retest of the area of this area. So yeah, plan A with one lot will be buy now at 1790.65 when the market opens on Monday. When the Sydney market opens on Monday, it will be at 6 in the morning, 6 a.m. GMT plus 7. So you can adjust to your local time. GMT plus 7 is actually the Jakarta time. Okay, so yes, I'm in Indonesia, and so the plan A will be to open when the market opens on Monday at 6 a.m. Jakarta time. So you can adjust to your local time. Okay, plan B is to mitigate. So plan A, buy now, and then the take profit will be at the pivot point. If you trade for short term, place your take profit at the pivot point. The pivot point is at 1795.40. So the first take profit is at the pivot point right here. If you open if you open a trade, the plan A, when the market opens at 1790.65, probably with the spread probably around 1791, and you take profit at 1795 with one lot, you already have 4 points of take profit. That will, with one lot, that will be around $400 of profit if you take only take profit one. So that's already a good profit for you to have every morning. And you can adjust to your if you want higher profits, you can adjust the lot sizes, but please make sure that you also have good equity. I use my first lot for the plan A is only one lot from for plan A. So on my on my $10,000 account, the one I will start with one lot for the plan A and double the lot for the mitigation plan B, plan C, and plan D. So you can adjust your lot size. If you only use a small equity, for example, $100, if you use $100, you can start with 0.01 lot. So it use mini lot. If you have $1,000, you can use 0.10 as the starting lot, the plan A lot. And if you have $10,000, you can use one lot, just like what I am doing. And it's been very productive. It's been very uh, profitable. So it will be safe for you to adjust your lot size based on your equity. So I'm placing this one is also TP2 take profit level 2 and take profit level 3 up to take profit level 4. You can also use a partial take profit if you want, because I believe that we have different kind of trading styles. I only use a single entry and with mitigation, with double lot mitigation. But I believe some of out there are many traders that use the partial take profit. You can use take profit 1 at the pivot point at 1795.40, take profit 2 at 1807, and take profit 3 at 1830, and take profit 4 at 1849 for long term trading. I I don't really like long term trading. I usually scalping the 1 hour time frame chart, so I will get more profits uh, in on daily time frame. Sorry, on daily. I have daily profits, good daily profits, because I scalp the 1 hour time frame chart. Okay, so what if the market went further after it hits a pivot point? So most likely the market will hit the pivot point, hit the first take profit and bounce back down to reach this plan B. If you trade for uh, if you trade for short term, I will use the mitigation plan and take profit here. It's 1779 with double lot. With double lot, it will already make more profits. So if it hits the plan B and trigger the buy limit at 1771 with two lots and take profit at 1779, the position for the take profit for mitigation or for the plan B at 1779, I would have made I would have already made profit from it, from these trades. But you must close the trades at the same time. If you use mitigation, you need to understand the rules that you must close the trades, all the trades at the same take profit level. So if you it's very important to not to hesitate in opening a mitigation trade, because mitigation trade only works on the first retest. That's why I use buy limit or buy limit on the buy plan or sell limit on the sell plan for the mitigation, because once it is triggered, that will be the first retest. It will pick up my it will pick up my my take profit for my mitigation for the take profit. But if you'd like to hold the trade longer for in a long term, it will pick the POI above this large uh, blue rectangle above. This is the long-term trade. This is the long-term trend. But if you see, I'm sorry, if you see on the daily time frame that the market is currently right here, it will pick up this area. But if you see the monthly time frame, the market is most likely will continue to respect the bearish uh, the bearish trend. Okay, so this is how you read and how you open the trade based on my analysis. I will always post my daily trading plan from Monday up to Friday, and it will always look like this. Okay, it will always look like this. I have plan A and plan B. Plan A is to buy now, and when is to buy now? Buy now when the market opens. The plan A is always buy now when the market opens. That will be when the Sydney market opens, 6 a.m. Jakarta time, GMT plus 7 at the current season, at the current time of the year. It will be open at 6 a.m. Jakarta time. And then the first take profit will be at the pivot point. So if anyone is questioning, if anyone wonders why I open when the market opens, because it is the safest time for new traders. Okay, the morning trading time is the safest time for traders, because most likely the market will pick up the pivot point. Most likely the market will pick the pivot point before it continues to create different different movement. Either it is breakthrough, break out the pivot point, or it will bounce off the pivot point. So for new traders, I recommend you to trade when the Sydney market opens. Yes, it is very early in the morning, and for US traders, it is very early in the morning. For Indian traders, it will be around 4:30 in the morning, because it's 1 hour and 30 minutes from Jakarta time. So you are still early, around 4:30 in the morning. So yes, there are sacrifices in trading that we have to do if we want to be profitable. If you see other traders, the day traders, uh, daily activity, they always get up very early in the morning because they want to catch this opportunity. So if you are new traders, I suggest you to make this sacrifice. Just get up early in the morning, watch my YouTube channel, watch my videos, my trading plan videos. I always post it just before the market opens, and then yeah, just make profits. Okay, so plan A is to buy now at the market opens. So don't be afraid if you are late in opening the plan A. Just make sure that the pivot point or the take profit one hasn't been reached yet. Okay, so plan A, buy now at the market opens. When the Sydney market opens at the current time of the year, it will be open at 6 every morning. Okay, at 6 a.m. every morning Jakarta time, GMT plus 7. Okay, so you can adjust the time based on your local time, and then you can continue use my analysis, my daily analysis, and make good profits. Okay, plan A, buy now, take profit. The first take profit will be at the pivot point. Okay, if you would like to hold your trade for longer, you can place your take profit 4 at the 1849. Most likely the market will pick that POI. Okay, so that's it for today. uh, this is Andy signing out. Thank you for being here, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. I hope you enjoy my videos, and I hope you can learn a lot from trading, and I hope you can learn a lot from me also, from my experience. And I hope we can make good, consistent profits from trading, okay, and reach our financial freedom, okay. So thank you very much for being here, and I'll see you next time.